Hello everyone, my name is Michelle Cano, Payroll Manager here at California State University, Dominguez Hills. In this video, we will explain and demonstrate how to calculate your summer session pay. In your summer letter of appointment, your final session pay is calculated by a formula that includes base pay, per unit pay, and estimated session pay. We will begin by locating your full-time rate, also known as your base rate. This can be found on your paycheck either through My CSUDH by signing in and clicking on the Employees tab at the top of the page. Then My Payroll/benefits and view My paycheck, or the Employee Connect website with the address on the screen. First-time users will need to register and create an account to use this service. The amount of regular pay in the red rectangle is your base rate, also known as full-time rate. This applies to all faculty, whether full-time or part-time. Let's say your full-time rate is $3,000. Next, we multiply that by 12 months, and the answer is $36,000, the annual salary. All right, next we will divide that by 30 units in an academic year, and the result should be $1,200. Lastly, we will multiply $1,200 by 3 for the number of units of your course, but this will vary depending on the number of units you will be teaching. Our result is $3,600, meaning your estimated pay for your summer session will be $3,600. We hope this helps with determining your summer session pay, and if you need any additional help with your payroll questions, you can visit www.csudh.edu/HR/payroll/faculty staff. Thank you and have a great summer session.